Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, 8 speakers, power passenger seat, leather seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.